Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HyperX NGENUITY for headset sound tuning easy tutorial step by. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the HyperX website. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once on the home page, look for the support option in the menu. Click on support to access the support page. Next, locate the download section. In the download section, find the search bar. Type NGENUITY into the search bar. This will filter the results for the HyperX NGENUITY software. Click on the link for the HyperX NGENUITY download page. You will see options for different operating systems. Select the appropriate version for your device. Click on the download button to start downloading the software. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the NGENUITY installer file. Double-click on the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. Choose your preferred installation location if prompted. Allow the installation to complete. After the installation, launch the HyperX NGENUITY software. Connect your HyperX headset to your computer. The software should automatically detect your headset. Explore the various sound tuning options available. Adjust the settings to your preference. You can save different profiles for various gaming scenarios. Enjoy enhanced audio with your customized headset settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.